Hal Elrod, the author of The Miracle Morning, proposes a morning routine as complete as possible to start your day with maximum energy to be effective to your day and to overcome any faced problem, which ultimately helps you to reach your goals. So, why a morning routine? Well, it is commonly known that our morning mood determines the rest of the day. Admitting you start a new day by pressing the snooze button 5 times. Then you wake up and you realize that you are late. You arrive to work without taking your briefcase as you don't have enough time. No coffee means you can't be attentive in your first meeting. All these effects are linked to each other during your day. Imagine you experience this scenario every day, every month. You probably will end up with a chaotic year where you've never had time to do anything, never had time for you, apart from a few short weeks of vacation. Every night, you come back home very exhausted from work. You sit in front of your television to decompress. But in reality, you are hypnotized by programs without interest. The next day, you wake up and start a similar day like yesterday. By taking a step back, you realize that you are experiencing events and you have no control over your daily life. If you don't want this life anymore, try Hal Elrod's method. Concretely, the proposed method is the so-called life savers. For each letter of savers, a word is associated, which represents an action you have to perform every morning. S for silence, A for affirmation, V for visualization, E for physical exercise, R for reading, S for scribing. In silence part, you have to spend a few minutes just for you. It can be 10 minutes of meditation, slow and deep reading, or a prayer. The goal is to have a quiet moment, to make a transition between your sleep and your awakening, a moment to refocus on yourself. Personally, I associated this moment to a dark place or a dim light to accentuate this soft transition effect. In affirmation part, repeat quotes that inspire you, which motivates you, phrases that remind you of the goals you want to achieve. Find some phrases that make sense to you and repeat them. In visualization part, visualize your future, the goals you want to reach before the end of the day or in a few years. Feel the effects that these goals, once achieved, will give you. These 2 steps of affirmations and visualization will help you to target the things that are important to you from the beginning of the day. The 4th part, physical exercise, which corresponds to practice a sport for a few minutes. You can do what you want with what you have. If you don't have equipment, you can do push-ups, squats, running, jumping jacks for instance. Doing sport regularly, even a short period, is extremely beneficial for your general shape. It will secrete endorphin, a pleasure hormone that can bring enormous benefit for you. Reading. Read something inspiring or informative. The main purpose here is to learn something new every day that will make you better than the day before. Scribing. Update your logbook. Write positive things that you remember from your previous day. People often have a banal idea about the personal diary. Yet, if you focus regularly on the positive things that are happening in your life, it can boost your mood and that will force you to focus on your targeted goals. In summary, Hal Elrod proposes a novel method to boost your day, which is structured around 6 steps: silence, affirmation, visualization, physical exercise, reading, and scribing. This is my summary of The Miracle Morning by Hal Elrod. If you have found this video helpful, make sure that you hit that like button, and if you are new to this channel, then hit the subscribe button and the bell beside it. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.